So hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are going to have Momo challenge with my sister. So we have this much quantity of Momo. So we will finish first. So it's a challenge. So we have Momo, we have chutti kacha, we have aloe vera juice, we have water. So let's get started up, okay guys? So let's see. Three more. Done. So as you can see, it's over. Remaining 12 to 15. So this challenge is just for fun, okay guys? So in the coming days I'll be bringing more challenges. So I guess you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.